How to use Snapchat for dating. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about how you can use Snapchat for dating. So go ahead and add people that you're interested in. Search for usernames or go through your phone's contact or check the Snap map to find potential matches. You can also scan Snap codes or join local Snapchat groups. And always start casual chats. Go ahead and send friendly snaps or messages to your friends or the people that you have recently added. And you can use Bitmoji, stickers, and a lot of other features to keep the conversation fun and light. You can also share stories and snaps. Post interesting and fun stories to showcase your personality, and share snaps privately to build a connection with individuals. You can also go through Snapchat Spotlight and find the video that you can go ahead and send it to your friends. And there is also the feature of video and voice calls. Once you feel comfortable with that person, move to video or voice calls for more personal connection. And be yourself and be safe. Avoid sharing too much personal information and use Snapchat's privacy settings to manage who can contact you and what they can see. You can also block or report anyone who makes you feel uneasy. For that, you can go to their profile and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. After that, go ahead and tap on manage friendship. And there you will see different options of blocking, reporting them, and removing them as well. So be genuine and engage in the interactions and respond in a timely manner, but don't feel pressure to rush things, and use Snapchat's creative tools like filters and lenses to keep your snaps entertaining. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.